Joth Davis is a scientist involved with the Puget Sound Restoration Fund. He and his colleagues are trying to use kelp seedlings to take up carbon dioxide and other nutrients. Kelp seedlings attached to a buoy will form thick, slimy rows of brown seaweed. Hopefully, the kelp will ease the effects of ocean acidification. They are doing a 5-year project funded by a $1.5 million grant from the Paul G. Allen Family Foundation. Kelp is being used because it has the potential to take up a significant amount of carbon out of the water column. As the oceans absorb more anthropogenic CO2, they become more acidic. This increase in CO2 is increasing rapidly. Ocean acidification has profound implications for marine ecosystems. In the Northeast Pacific, fisheries are key economic and cultural roles, providing employment. In British Columbia, recreational sport fishing is more profitable than commercial fishing. Salmon and Pacific halibut are the main income-related fishing for both fish and farmed. Naturally, these areas are relatively acidic waters due to ocean circulation, which makes them very vulnerable to ocean acidification. Questions arise when you try to evaluate the potential impact of ocean acidification on local fishery income. Little is known about the direct impact of OA combined with the impact of multi-stressors such as temperature change as our climate changes. There is evidence of negative impacts on fish through changes at lower trophic levels and in habitats. OA leads to increased fish killing, algae blooms that can affect the salmon aquaculture industry. Shellfish also show signs of direct impact associated with OA, especially at the larval stage. Fossil fuel burning and changes in land use by humans has increased atmospheric carbon dioxide at an unprecedented rate, causing our climate to change. A large amount of this anthropogenic CO2 has been absorbed by the ocean. When CO2 enters the ocean, it combines with water, which increases the concentration of hydrogen ions and increases acidity by decreasing the pH. The ocean also takes on other anthropogenic sources on a local scale, like acid rain, from vehicle emissions in industries which are near urbanized regions. There are also organic carbons such as sewage and agricultural runoff, which fuels the production of organic carbon in the ocean. Let's hope this idea of growing kelp can help curb the amount of carbon dioxide our oceans are intaking and save them for all species, including mankind.